Assalamu alaikum respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today's video number on our YouTube channel is 352 and our lecture is related to periodontics. Now today our topic is related to introduction to periodontics, and the topic outline is number 1, we will study mainly about definition of periodontology, next periodontics, then periodontium, then components of periodontium, and the last is the definition of each component of periodontium in detail. Now first we start from definition of periodontology. How we define periodontology? The scientific study of periodontium in health and disease state is called periodontology. Mean scientific study of periodontium in healthy or disease state. Now periodontium consists of 4 components: cementum, alveolar bone, PDL, and part of gingiva facing the tooth. Now come to the definition of periodontics. How we define the periodontics? Periodontics is a clinical specialty of dentistry that is concerned with the prevention, diagnosis and treatment of functional and structural diseases of supporting tissue of teeth. Mean periodontium or their implant substitute is called periodontics. Now come to the definition of periodontium. How we define periodontium? The supporting tissues of the tooth, which include the cementum, alveolar bone, PDL, and part of gingiva facing the tooth, is called periodontium. Now look at this diagram. There is a cementum, PDL, alveolar bone, and the part of gingiva facing the tooth. Now after definition, come to the components of periodontium. There are 4 components of periodontium. Number 1 is the cementum. Second is the alveolar bone, or also known as alveolar process. The third is the PDL, periodontal ligament, and the fourth is the gingiva. Now come to the diagram of component of periodontium: cementum, periodontal ligament, alveolar process, and the part of gingiva facing the tooth. Now come to the last topic outline: definition of each component of periodontium. First we start from definition of gingiva from Carranza book of periodontics. How we define gingiva? Part of oral mucosa which cover the alveolar process of jaws and surrounding the neck of the teeth is called gingiva. Now look at this diagram. Here this is a gingiva which cover the alveolar processes of the jaws and also the neck of the teeth at cemento-enamel junction, mean the cervical area of the tooth. Now come to the second part, cementum. How we define cementum? Cementum is a hard avascular connective tissue that cover the roots of the tooth. Now look at this diagram. The red is the dentine, and above the yellow enamel cover the dentine, and below the white cementum cover the dentine, mean cover the roots dentine. Now come to the third part of periodontium, periodontal ligament. How we define the periodontal ligament? The PDL is the soft specialized connective tissue situated between the cementum and the bone, forming the socket wall. Mean between alveolar process socket and cementum the PDL is present. Look at this diagram. The PDL is present between cementum uproot and the alveolar process of the bone. Now come to the last, alveolar process or alveolar bone. How we define alveolar process of alveolar bone? Alveolar process is that bone of the jaw containing the sockets, mean alveoli for the teeth, in which the teeth is present. The alveolar bone consists of buccal and lingual cortical plate, and in between, in center of buccal and lingual cortical plate, there is a spongy bone. Now look at this diagram of alveolar process. Above the white is teeth, and below the yellow is the alveolar process, where teeth is present in the socket, and there is a lingual and buccal plate. In center there is a spongy bone. Now today our topic is, and this is the first video of periodontic series. Now we have Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups for you people. If you are first year MBBS student, we have a channel on Telegram by name First to Final Year MBBS Lecture. If you are BDS student, we have channel on Telegram by name First to Final Year BDS Lectures, where we daily share notes, books, past paper, and also we have a WhatsApp group for boys. First year first BDS group are boys, and first BDS group are girls separately. And also we have second year BDS group are boys only, and also third year BDS group are boys only. For girls we also make in future. And all links of these groups and channels are present in the description of this video. Now, if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.